In today's video, I'm sharing with you Amazon products that I think you need to try. If you have a phone charger that falls on the floor at night, let me show you a gadget you need. These gold cord anchors. Just place the sticky on the back. Now just stick it on the side of your nightstand, place in your cord, and then screw on this top piece. You can plug in your phone, and then when you remove your phone in the morning, it's gonna keep your cord there all day. Now, if you're looking for any of the products in today's video, I wanna make sure I show you how you can get to them. They're gonna be below in the description box. So if you click on the button that says more, a description box is going to drop down and everything will be linked. You can click on it and it will take you to the product. If you're watching me on your TV, you can take out your phone, scan this QR code right here. That QR code will also take you to the products. Another thing I got to help with germs is this Amazon sanitizing sprayer. Now the one that I picked up recommends 70% isopropyl alcohol, but you could probably use anything. You could use 90%. You could probably also use hydrogen peroxide. Now you're just gonna spray any surface that could have germs on it. I learned how to use these pans from my grandma and I just saw them on Amazon, so I had to pick up a set. It has a quick release lever to easily remove your cake. I'm gonna put together my cake using the box instructions. I'm gonna be using this new measuring cup that I got off of Amazon. It's perfect for your ingredients and it's also great if you have some messy ingredients. You can move the dial down to get the precise measurements that you want. And you can push it up to get all of your ingredients out of the cup. So I need half a cup of oil, so I'm gonna move the dial down to a half a cup. You want to make sure that you spray both of your pans. Then we'll just add in our cake mix. Time to bake. This lever makes sure that your cake pops out easily and it makes your baking stress-free. I think I found the perfect set to wear this spring and it comes in so many different colors. This yellow I absolutely love. I love the royal blue detail. You have this pull over that's pretty lightweight and then you also have the shorts that match. I picked up the yellow and blue. I also have it in the green. Now, if you're having trouble cleaning your ceiling fans or your light fixtures, I really like this duster. It's perfect for all my light fixtures. Plus it has this opening that I can put over the ceiling fans to really get the top of those clean. I also love using it on the top of my curtains or those hard to reach spots like the top of my TV. If you're wanting to update your spring decor, let me show you a few items I just picked up to put in my house. So the first thing I got that I'm really excited about is this wood tray. I love the handles on it. And this is a tray that you could leave out year round, just change out your decor. So that's gonna be the base. The next thing you need is a great vase. This is one that I found, and again, you could use this year round. Now, since it's spring, I wanted to add in these pink tulips. I actually got 2 packs of these, and anything that I'm showing you guys, I will link down below in the description box. But I'm simply just going to add in these pink tulips. Now, if you look at this listing, these tulips come in so many different colors. So you could go white or you could get blue tulips, whatever makes you happy. Now, to add a different level, I want to add in some books. These are thrifted books. You can get books on Amazon, but I like the vintage thrifted ones, and these are just in some fun spring colors. I had these from a previous thrifting trip. I recently just got these rattan bunnies, and I think they're gonna look perfect with the tulips. Next, I'm gonna finish it off with one of my favorite candles. This one's from Walmart. It was time to update my porch for spring, and to tell you the truth, I love using faux items. So I found these olive trees. These olive trees are gorgeous. They come in a pack of 2, and honestly, you could put them inside or outside. I'm gonna put these on my front porch. They come with a vase. All you have to do is kind of fluff them out a little bit. I'm also going to be adding this gorgeous indoor-outdoor rug that I found on Amazon. I love the scallop trim and think it's super unique. And the only other thing I need to do is just add a wreath to my door. Now, if you're looking for any of these items or any of my outdoor faux plants, because I have a ton that I bought off of Amazon and absolutely love them, they're no maintenance, I don't have to do anything with them, I'm gonna put the QR code right here. This will take you to all of my favorite outdoor plant options that you could use in your home for the spring. Now, if you've watched any of my Amazon videos, you've probably seen my diatomite stone items that I have. I have a dish drying mat. I also have a stone bath mat. I love them because they dry so quickly. And when I saw this stone drying mat, I thought it would be perfect for my sink. It fits around your faucet. You can add on your soap and sponges, and the water dries super quick. Over the past few weeks, I've been working hard to come up with a list of Easter items that I thought would be perfect for your Easter baskets. Let me show you some of my favorites, and I'll also have them linked below. If you're looking for a unique Easter basket, try this. You can pick up these drink carriers on Amazon. In fact, everything I'm putting inside is from Amazon. It will be linked below. Next, I'm gonna add these adorable bunny cups. Now, this time of year, I love to decorate with Peeps, but they can be expensive buying all the Peep candies. Plus, they don't last as long. So I found these great ones off of Amazon. They are Peeps that are sponges. You can buy them in this large pack. Now, let me show you how I made a centerpiece. So you're gonna start with a vase from the thrift store, or you may have a vase on hand. Then I put a Dollar Tree vase in the middle that was a little bit smaller. I started by lining up all the Peeps on the inside of my vase, stacking them up till I got to the top. I did want to add some florals in at the top, so I found these white tulips off of Amazon. They are gorgeous. I've used them in my daughter's room upstairs, but I also love how they look with the Peeps. And here's a look at how this entire spring vase came together. If you love decorating eggs but don't really like the mess, I found a fun option for you. This egg decorator is really cool. You're gonna add batteries to the back. It also comes with the markers that you may need. Now, if you don't want to use real eggs, I bought these wooden ones off of Amazon. You simply place them onto the egg decorator, turn the machine on, and then place your marker on there. It will make these really cool lines and designs. You can use so many different colors and they turn out great. This is perfect for anyone to do, but great for kids and grandkids as well. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you answer the question of the day down in the comments. What is your favorite store to shop at? Now, there's so many great things you can buy for spring on Amazon, but I also love to shop at Walmart. Walmart has great selection for their Walmart spring home decor. And I put together a list of all of my favorite Walmart spring decor. Now, if you're looking for any of those items, I will put a QR code right here that you can scan. It will take you directly to those Walmart spring items, or I will link them for you down below in the description box. I found these fun bunny sacks on Amazon. They come with everything you need, minus the candy. I picked that up at Walmart. Let me show you how to put these together. Now, this set comes with 36 bags, so perfect for a class. Next, I'm just gonna fill them up with candy. Now, the pack comes with 4 different ribbons. So I'm just going to alternate the ribbon, and then you just pinch them together in the middle and tie them. Now, the final step is to add these little pom-poms to the back. They even come with little sticky dots. This time of year at my house, I'm trying to keep us as healthy as possible, so that means disinfecting as many surfaces as possible. And our phones have so many germs on them. Let me show you what I recently picked up to get all the germs off my phone. This UV cell phone sanitizer cleans your phone without any harmful chemicals. Just place your phone inside to remove 99.99% of bacteria. It's not limited to your phone. Anything that'll fit inside, you can sanitize. If you love a quesadilla, you need this next item. It's called a crimpet. Let me show you how to use it. You want a tortilla that's large enough to cover the entire crimpet. Then you're gonna add in your favorite ingredients. Next, just close it and press down. I just bought this new pair of pants that I feel like I've been wearing all month long. They feel like yoga pants, but they look like wide leg pants. I wore them in my last Dollar Tree video. They're so comfortable, but I just love the look. I also recently wore them with a white t-shirt and they're just perfect. I mean, I've been putting them on all the time. I love that they don't look like a yoga pant, but they're just as comfortable. Now I have a few new beauty products that I wanted to share with you that I've been loving. The first one is a foundation I've been using. Recently, I have just felt like the foundation I was using was not working. It would kind of crack throughout the day. I felt like it was really drying on my skin. Now, my skin is normal to dry skin, and I was just looking for something better. So I went scouring TikTok, Instagram for recommendations, and everybody kept saying this Luxe foundation was worth trying. It claims that it matches the color of your skin tone, and I thought there's absolutely no way that it does that. But enough people recommended it that I tried it out. And I have to tell you, I've been using it now for about a month and I absolutely love it. So you do have to pick a shade. So the one that I got was the light to medium skin tone. And when you put it on your face, it looks white. But then when you rub it in, and honestly, I just rub it in with my fingers. I used to put foundation on with a sponge, but I really feel like this applies best with your fingers. And I just put it all over my face. It's very lightweight and you can see your skin texture underneath, but it is buildable. So if you want more coverage, you can put more on. I absolutely love it. I think it wears really well on my skin. It doesn't feel drying at all. So if you are in the market needing a new foundation, give this one a try. I will link it for you down below. I was also looking for a new eyeshadow primer because I've been using the MAC Paint Pot for years, but it dries out and I just wanted something new. So I tried this Milani eyeshadow primer and I really like it. It does a good job of keeping my eyeshadow on all day long. It's not completely mattifying. So when you put it on, you are gonna see some texture underneath your eyes. But as far as helping your eyeshadow to stay on all day, this is a good one. You know those makeup products that you just can't stop using? This is the one for me. The Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon is pretty much the only lipstick I put on. And I've been wearing the same color now in almost every video that I do. So I wanted to share with you guys which one that I'm using. These are very affordable. They're under $9. They come in a ton of different colors. The one I've been wearing recently is Trust Your Gut. I will link it for you down below. Another really good one is On the Grind. That's another one I like. But if you've not tried these, they essentially stay on all day. When you're eating, drinking, doing different things, you're still gonna have color on your lips. So these are my favorite, perfect for filming. Now I feel like this year is all about hair health for me. So I'm gonna be trying out a lot of new hair products and things that are working, I'm definitely gonna be sharing with you guys. Now this is one that I've been using and really like, and it's pretty affordable. You can buy it here on Amazon. It's by the brand OGX and it's their Coconut Miracle Oil. I have been using this as a pre-shampoo treatment. I've really been trying to increase the health of my hair and this is one of the steps I've been doing. So what I do is before I get in the shower, I will put a little bit on the ends of my hair and just comb it through. I'll let it sit for about 10 minutes before I shower. And I find that this just helps as a good pre-shampoo oil, really helping to soften and nourish my hair. If you haven't tried sneaker erasers before, they're a great way to clean up your shoes. I like using them. They're pretty easy to use. You're just going to get them wet and wring them out. You're going to start by using the white side on your shoes, and you can use the other side for those stubborn spots. This olive oil dispenser was one of my favorite things that I purchased last year. I love that you can pour out the olive oil or you can spray it depending on what you're making. If you're trying to prep snacks on the go, this next item is perfect. Get more juice out of your lemons and limes with this screw-in juicer. You just screw it into your lemons or limes and then you squeeze on the center. You get so much juice out of the top. You can pour it over things like apples, salads, drinks. I also love that they're compact and don't take up a lot of room. This tic-tac-toe game is perfect for a long car ride. You can play against opponent or you can play against yourself. You can play tic-tac-toe, whack-a-mole, or memory. I absolutely love sharing with you my favorite products from Amazon every month, and I thought it would be fun to share with you what the top 10 products were from the last video, the things you guys were loving and definitely picking up. Number 1 was the Work Pro scrapers. These are great. They're perfect for removing labels. You can also use them to scrape anything off of your countertops. They're plastic, so they won't damage your products or countertops. Number 2 are the mason jar lids. You can convert any mason jar into a pantry staple container with these lids. They come in a pack of 5 and you can add them to a regular or wide mouth mason jar. Number 3 is my outlet extender stick that I put behind my nightstand. This is great to have an outlet that reaches up high so you don't have to be bending over to get to your outlet. Number 4 is the gold valet hook that I put in my bedroom. This is great for hanging out your clothes or steaming them the night before you're gonna wear them. They come in a pack of 2. Number 5 is museum gel. You guys were just as blown away by this product as I was. Basically, you can stick it onto any product. You stick this onto the bottom of your breakables, and if you have pets or toddlers running through your house, they won't break these items. Number 6 was my waffle knit cardigan sweater. I can see why you guys like this. It honestly goes with any outfit. Number 7, everybody's switching to these titanium cutting boards. They're so much better than our plastic ones. They leave no odor and they're easy to clean. Number 8 is the mini hand soap sheets. These are perfect to stash in your purse, especially if you're somewhere where they don't have soap. I also love these when traveling. Number 9, I'm not surprised, is the steam cleaner. This is a great way to clean all over your house without using harsh chemicals. Number 10 is both of my retractable chargers. Honestly, you probably need both of them. One is great for inside your house, and you can also use this one in your car. Let me know down in the comments what you're gonna be picking up from Amazon. I love knowing your opinion. And remember, everything will be linked for you down below in the description box. You can also scan the QR code to take you to all of those products as well. And make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.